Right, the first thing we have to do is set up the publication itself. It's an 8-page brochure. Start new publication, folded, sidefold booklet. You notice how one page is folded and put inside the other one. Say open. Now page setup, A3 and landscape. And then that means that each of the pages will be an A4 page. Right, now there are 4 pages there. You're doing an 8-page brochure. So the next stage on, page manager, insert, 4 pages, there they are, say OK. And now you can see the 8 pages that you're going to work on. Next is master pages. Double click master page. What you do on this page will show up on every other page that you create for this brochure. If you go now to the ruler on the side and drag a line in. Now I'm going to create a panel on the side of the page that's going to be coloured and will be where the pictures go. And then I'm going to have the other side of the page is going to be where the text goes. You do not need to do that. You can do anything that you like. Right, if I just drag down from the top 10, so now I'm looking, if the page is 30 centimeters tall, I've come down 1/3 of it to 10, so there is where my text is going to go, and on this side is where my color panel is going to go. So go to quick shape flyout there, drag that down, and then right click, format, fill, click on edit, and I want a bluey green grey sort of colour. That looks about right. It's moderately neutral, and say OK, and say OK to that. Now you notice down the bottom that the same thing has occurred in all of those pages. That's fine. That means that it's worked and everything's going all right. So now what we're going to do is double click on, or click on the side of master A, then double click on number 2. Right, and it is page 2, and if you look down in the bottom left hand corner you can see page 2 of 8. Now what we now do is we get a text frame and we put the text frame in from there into that area where the text is going to go. Only this one page. Right click, and then it's insert text file. Now the text has been provided for you. That's normal in DTP. The copy, the text, is done by somebody else who's clearly expert at it, and you as a designer are involved in how to make that text most attractive. So insert text file, and I've got my text file saved for me already. There it is. Say open, and it starts to run in, and then it says this story contains more than will fit in this frame. Do you want to autoflow? Say yes. Oh, hang on a minute. It says it's gone to page 3. Do you still want to do that? Yes. And then it's saying, right, okay, what do you want us to do? And basically what we're doing is saying make new frames the same size as the last frame on all pages. Click. And then into page 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Now if we have a look there, and I'm going to see down the bottom there, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, all the way through. Your document is already a big part of the way there. Now you've got as far as you're going for this particular tutorial. Save your work, and then you can look at the other tutorials as to how you attach style to it to make it more distinctive. So it's going to be file, save as, and save that in the appropriate place for you.